share what I've learned from Chapter 1 to 6 of Science, Technology, and Society, or STS. Chapter 1, Historical Antecedents. So, in Chapter 1, I learned that science and technology started a long time ago. So, people in ancient times made simple tools, discovered fire, and learned to farm to make life easier. So, as years passed, inventions like the wheel, paper, and machines were created. So, these early discoveries became the foundation on modern science and technology that we use today. Chapter 2, Intellectual Revolution. So, Chapter 2 talks about great thinkers who changed how people saw the world. So, for example, Copernicus said that the earth moves around the sun. Darwin explained how living things evolve, and Freud studied the human mind. So, their ideas opened new ways of thinking and helped people become more curious and open-minded. Chapter 3, Science, Technology, and Nation Building. So, in Chapter 3, I learned that science and technology help build and improve a country. So, in the Philippines, they help in farming, education, health, and transportation. So, when people use science and technology in the right way, it helps the nation grow and make life better for everyone. Chapter 4, Human Flourishing in Science and Technology. So, Chapter 4 teaches that the goal of science and technology is to help people live better and happier lives. So, it is not just about making new inventions, but about making sure these inventions help people, protect nature, and create peace and comfort for all. Chapter 5, Human Flourishing as Reflected in Progress and Development. So, in Chapter 5, I understood that real progress is not only about having tools or buildings or modern gadgets. So, true progress means people live safely, equally, and with respect for one another and the environment. So, science and technology should always be used to improve life, not to destroy it. Chapter 6, The Good Life. So, finally, Chapter 6 talks about the good life. So, for me, the good life means living simply but meaningfully. So, it is when we use science and technology wisely to help others, to care for nature, and to make the world a better place. So, the good life is about balance, kindness, and responsibility. To sum up, this chapter taught me that science and technology are powerful tools that shape our lives, but their true value depends on how we use them. As a students, we should learn to use knowledge for good, not just for success, but to help others and build a better future for everyone.